This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sylvia Icaza. Unique property in the heart of Edgewater, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. 1,241 square feet. Top-of-the-line renovation. The owner is an experienced contractor and did not spare any expenseall upgraded electrical panel, Lutron switches, state-of-the-art kitchen, modern cabinets, and beautiful quartz counters. Top-quality stainless steel appliances. The stunning bathrooms feature whirlpool showers and glass doors. Walk-in closet with cedar wood walls and container store shelving. Amazing direct bay views, pool, and garden from the ample balcony and windows. Remodeled building with full amenities, Bayfront pool, exercise room, valet, barbecue area, guard gate, and more. Pet-friendly building. Maintenance fee covers a portion of air conditioning, electric